welcome back to my channel. Today I am making an adorable Christmas tree with a normal pizza dough. It's a perfect appetizer with the savory fillings. Let's get started.
We will start by activating our yeast. For that, in a bowl add 3/4 cups of warm water. Make sure it's not too hot or it will kill the yeast. To this add 2 teaspoons of yeast, half a tablespoon of sugar. Give it a good stir and let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes bubbly and frothy. For our dough, in a bowl add 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and our activated yeast. Mix everything to bring the dough together. Transfer the dough out onto a lightly flat surface and knead it for 5 to 7 minutes. At this point, if you feel the dough is very dry, then you can add little bit of more water, or if you feel it's wet, then you can add little bit of more flour. You will keep kneading it. Lightly grease the bowl with olive oil and place the dough. Cover it with wet towel and keep it in a nice warm place for 60 to 90 minutes until it doubles in size. Now you can see that it has already doubled in size. Just punch it down. Now transfer the dough onto the chopping board and we will cut it into half. Now shape the dough into a ball like this. Roll it out on 2 pieces of parchment paper. It's easy to work on the parchment paper and this will also make it easier to transfer onto your baking sheet. Roll into a thin bread. We will top it with pesto sauce or any sauce of your choice. Next I am going to top this with good sprinkle of shredded mozzarella cheese. At this point we will top this with our second piece of dough. Press it gently to seal the two sheets together. With the help of the pizza cutter, we will cut this into a Christmas tree. Basically a triangle. That will be our top. Again with the pizza cutter, we will create little trunk. Don't throw away the extra dough, just bake it in another baking pan. Now for the branches, cut little slits on both the sides, all the way to the top. Pull and twist the branches in the same direction. Brush the dough with the beaten egg. Now transfer the parchment paper onto the baking sheet. Now bake it in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. While it's baking, let's prepare our butter glaze. For that, in a bowl add 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 clove of garlic crushed, red chili pepper flakes, Italian herbs. Give it a good stir and keep it aside. Now take out our Christmas tree and finish it off by brushing our melted butter. Our Christmas tree is ready.
If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.